Ciira wa aria maikorirwo makihutio na makigerwo ngero ni ndemu ya Solai miaka itano mihituku ni wikoretwo ukirirukio weru na kuria wikoretwo gitwarwo nginya igoti-ni ria Naivasha no indi kurerikana kana mamwe ma maria meyumiritie hindi ya aria makoretwo magikuruhanio na Ciira uyu wa njuragano cia kana aria magitirwo moritwo ni mioyo yao makiria ma andu 48 ari hamwe na arugamiriri a mugunda uyu ni makiugite ati uguthukio kana kwa maria maturigiceirie urundumwe na utemi wa miti na njira ya kihariro na mbura nene ni mamwe maria macungiriirie mutino uyu kuringana na umwe wa aria maritie igoti-ni riri na uria ni umwe wa arugamiriri a mugunda uyu wikaine kana mugunda uyu wikaine ta Peri Manusu ni agitariria ati kana ni agiteteire na njira nene na kuga ati wetiwe wakiri mwene mugunda uyu no indi akiri murugamiriri wa mugunda uyu hindi ya mutino uyu na uria wagitigire andu 48 makuite.
Peri Manusu, murugamiriri munene wa Solai Farm.
What is your relation with both these two companies? That is Kensalt Limited and Patel Coffee Estate Limited.
Your Honor, I'm a director.
Thitangitwe mavitia ma njuragano mena andu engi. Damu ya Solai yatuthokire miaka itano mivituku ikiuraga andu 48 na kuthukangia indo cia mirioni nyingi.
You have been charged as Peri Mansuk Kansagra. Do you know why you have been charged? When you are not the registered owner of either the property which is on which Milman Dam is or its neighboring one. Do you know that?
I'm baffled, Your Honor. Why?
Peri ni arugacire uria umongere utena kivoto kona makoragwo merugamiriri engi na nwake mutheri arugamitwe igoti-ri.
I think it's unfair, Your Honor. It's kind of selective prosecution. I'm chosen alone, Your Honor.
Murugamiriri uyu ni arathie na mbere kwitetera akiuga muthenya uria damu ya Solai yatuthukire ati ai Kenya ai bururi wa nja UK na kumauria maroria passport-ini yake.
Unfortunately, that's not true, Your Honor, because I was in the UK, not in Kenya, and particularly not in Solai, that particular day of the 9th, Your Honor.
Ngirivotera Mutingi TV, mbitagwo Mwende wa Mbere.
Thengio mwendo wa Mbere ni tondu wa riboti ona tugithii na mbere ni ati mundu mwe ni ahonokete ciarira ni thutha wa ngari muthemba wa Probox na iria iragikuite